So lean manufacturing. Have you ever wondered in large, huge manufacturing facilities, or looked at a complex vehicle and wondered how 1,000 people are able to put their hands and build that product, and then also build that product with 1,000 people in 20 hours? Well, that's how long it takes for one Ford F-150 to be built. So, like many of you, you've probably been doing a job and probably said, there's got to be a more efficient way to do this. This is ridiculous. This is taking a long time. So, being in high production work environments, it's really pushed me to focus on production and how it can be more efficiently done, and also how it can be more effectively cost efficient. So lean manufacturing has changed how the world processes its products and services. Today, this is what we will cover. Lean, where lean came from, its processes, who uses it, and also how it can be implemented. So it really all started back in the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution gave way to groundbreaking technology, especially in manufacturing, how we do things. Common items that we have today, such as something small and simple as like toilet paper, even 100 years ago, was manufacturing. It was so expensive to manufacture, just regular people like us couldn't afford simple items like that. So things needed to change to stay competitive and produce more, to make it more cost effective to the customers to stay in business. So according to lean.org, lean manufacturing means creating more value for customers with fewer resources. A lean organization understands customer value and focuses its key processes to continuously increase it. The ultimate goal is to provide perfect value to the customer through a perfect value creation process with zero waste. So, lean manufacturing, originally it came up in the 18th century by a musket maker named Eli Whitney. His process was basically to be able to use his machinery and his product and adapt it to multiple products to make it cheaper to produce. So the first one to really apply these ideas is Henry Ford, and everybody is probably, I don't know if everybody's familiar with what he did in his factories with the Model Ts and being able to get them down to a couple $100 to $1,500, so just an average person can have a vehicle. And that is where today Toyota has really perfected lean manufacturing and the ideas of it. So what did it give us? Well, it gave way to efficient, organized processes in buildings and offices and major manufacturing plants. This has completely changed the world that we work in today compared to older processes that were used. So let's take a closer look at lean manufacturing processes. So lean manufacturing is optimizing the flow of production of a product from the start to the finish. It is eliminating waste and overproduction of a product or a service. It creates a process that uses less human effort, less space, and less capital. So, in turn, bringing cheaper product to the customer. So, products and services at far less cost, with much fewer defects and mistakes. It's being handled less. There's less people handling it. In turn, you get, a more settled product. So, lean manufacturing is organization, and it's that everything has a place and it's a purpose. It is everything from the last nut and bolt down to even into your office supplies, your pens everything is inventoried and you know what you have. So, so who uses Lean and how can it be implemented? Well, other than, you know, large manufacturers as Toyota and those guys, large companies and office buildings such as Xerox have implemented lean manufacturing into their offices. What it did was created a better office value and better, it was a much more efficient office space, creating a much, basically it passed on to their customer services, and it really increased their customer service values for their company and greatly increased product. So a great way to add lean to mindset to your company is efficient, is to get, basically you get all your workers and you see what kind of mindset they are when they're working. And it's basically to take them from being a great worker already, and then you change them into being super efficient regardless of how the company is operating. That way they are more adaptable to just about anything that comes at them. So also 5S method for each individual's work area, and that what that includes, I don't know if anybody here's heard of the 5S method, but each individual's work area is organized, and it's, you're sorting your stuff, you're setting everything in order, that way you're not looking for it, okay? And Shine, that's keeping your area clean at all times and sustaining that, and then standardizing what you've done there, so that way it doesn't fall back and then you start becoming less effective and less productive. So implementing lean manufacturing like this allows the office to basically reduce time wasted looking for their work, and giving employees more time to actually produce more value for the company. Most of it allows employees to be able to do rigorous assessment of the information that they're producing, and enables them to identify processes that were just completely waste and costing the company money. So be mindful and be lean. The lean manufacturing process has definitely changed how the world works, producing product and services to everybody. From really being implemented by Henry Ford and perfected by Toyota, the fundamentals, regardless of type of platform that the company is using, has changed how we do things in all our work environments. From eliminating waste and overproduction to 5S systems, we improve not only what we make and offer in a service, but we also make it cheaper, quicker, and better than they've ever gotten before.